G'day guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Tim, and on today's episode we have an urgent warning for the stock market. What I've got on the screen right now is a comparison of the 1987 Black Monday crash and the 2021 current market action on the S&P 500, okay? Now let's have a look at these two graphs. Now, in leading up to 1987, we came off a massive bull run and the price action rolled over. We had a mini crash followed by a larger crash in 1974 where we touched the 25-year moving average, and then we bounced off the 30-month moving average until we overextended and we crashed back down, okay? This was a 30% crash and no one saw it coming. Now, in 2021, we came off a massive bull run leading up to the dot-com era. We had a mini crash followed by a larger crash, which was the GFC. We touched the 25-year moving average, just like we did over here. We bounced off the 30-month moving average, just like we did over here. And now, 12.3 years later, only 5 months prior to the crash that happened in 1987, we're at these percentages. So we're currently 30% above the 30-month moving average, and we're 167% above the 25-year moving average. Now compare that to what happened in 1987. We were 39% above the 30-month moving average, and we were 183% above the 25-year moving average. So remember, this is 13 years from the dip to the tip. Now, from this dip to this tip, we are 5 months prior to that, so we're 12.3 years. So in 5 months' time, we could be remarkably at similar levels to what we were in 1987, and nobody saw this crash happening, okay? So this is no guarantee that it will happen again, but today is July 16, 2021, and I think we've got some evidence here to show that we at least need to be on edge, because there could be a similar crash if history repeats itself as it did in 1987. Now, a lot of people might go, yeah, but this time it's different. And the best way to come back from that is if we look at Sir John Templeton, who, by the way, so Money Magazine coined him at one point as arguably the greatest global stock picker of the century in 1999, and you can see more information about him. He knew what he was on about. He had a famous saying, which you've probably heard before, the 4 most dangerous words in investing are "this time it's different." So with that in mind, we need to be on edge and wary about what will happen in the future, okay? So I'll go into more detail in future videos, but this was just a quick urgent message for the stock market. So I hope you enjoyed that content. This is not financial advice. This is purely entertainment purposes only, but this data is all real. So until next time, I hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers.